How to fix TikTok following too fast. This tutorial shows you how to resolve the following too fast error on TikTok. First, open the TikTok application on your Android device. Next, you'll be taken to the homepage where you can view all the content shared on TikTok. Following that, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. Moving forward, select Settings and Privacy from the menu options. Afterwards, scroll down to the Support and About section. In addition to that, tap on Report a Problem to access TikTok support. Once you're on this page, scroll down and tap on Account and Profile. Subsequently, tap on Following and Followers from the list of options. Moreover, tap on Following Too Fast to see solutions for this specific issue. Afterwards, TikTok will show you suggested fixes and explanations about the error. Then, if you're still confused about the solution or the problem persists, tap on No at the bottom. Within this section, tap on Need More Help to contact TikTok support directly. Alternatively, you can now state your issue in detail in the text field provided. Once you've explained your problem, attach a screenshot or video showing the error if possible. Then, tap on Submit to send your report to TikTok support for further assistance. And that's it. If this following too fast fix helped you resolve the issue, give it a like, subscribe for more TikTok troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.